Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy. Today I'm going to be sharing my 4 secrets to the best sausage gravy on the planet. Make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe. And most importantly, please
like and subscribe.
So let's get started with some spices. The first secret is to use a lot of black pepper. Let's go with 2 tablespoons of
Pepper.
Next is
a teaspoon
of
salt.
Gonna give it a little Cajun kick with a
teaspoon
of your favorite Cajun spice. And next,
a teaspoon
of garlic. And to give it some real heat,
a teaspoon
of
red pepper flakes.
All these spices are going to combine to give your gravy a lot of levels of flavor. Now it's time to chop up that onion. The next secret to this delicious gravy is you use bacon grease. So we need to fry up some bacon. Always lay it away from you to avoid getting splattered. We're only going to be using the bacon grease, not the bacon, but you can use that as a snack. Be sure to lay it away from you. Don't forget to set aside 2 tablespoons of that bacon grease. The third secret to this recipe is make your sausage into patties. Sear them off. You get a nice color, and color means flavor. We're going to be cooking 1 pound of pork sausage today. Once they're nice and brown, just flip them over. Once you have a nice sear on the other side, go ahead and start crumbling your sausage. Looks like the sausage is cooked, so now it's time to add a little onion. Now we'll just cook it until the onions soften up just a bit. When the onions are done, let's get it off the heat and move on to that gravy. The next secret to this gravy is starting with a roux. What is a roux, girls?
Equal parts fat and flour.
Very good. So 2 tablespoons of bacon grease, 2 tablespoons of butter. Get that melted down a little, and then we add 4 tablespoons of flour. And make sure you
stir it together.
You've got a nice paste like this and it's all mixed together. It's time to add all those spices. Your roux should be pretty dark with all the spices. Lots of pepper in there. And now we're going to slowly add 2 cups of whole milk. And slow is the key here, just a little bit at a time. We don't want lumpy gravy. Keep adding a little bit of milk and keep stirring. Time to switch over to a whisk. Really move that milk around. Once you have all the milk in and you're almost back up to a simmer, let's start putting that sausage back in. I would like to take this time to thank my granddaughters, Guinevere and Arwen, for helping me so much today. Thank you, girls. The girls will be making an appearance in one of my future videos, so keep an eye out for that. I can tell you this gravy smells absolutely amazing. It's time for me to use my
tasting spoon.
Oh my, that is flavorful. I think I have it seasoned the way I want. I think I'm just going to plate up some biscuits and sausage gravy. I'm going to take this nice hot flaky biscuit right out of the oven, cover it with a generous portion of this sausage gravy, maybe a little more over here. And now you know my 4 secrets to making the best gravy on the planet. I really hope you do give it a try. It's that good. And thanks for coming, everybody.